Debriefing. What have we learned as far as packing goes as we start to pack up stuff?
One, we brought too much stuff.
Right.
Two, things not to bring is you only need like one pair of khakis,
Right.
maybe one pair of jeans, two at the most,
Right.
two pairs of shorts, no more,
Right.
one bathing suit,
Right.
socks.
What about dress shirts?
Dress shirts, that's kind of nice. I would say 4 or 5.
Okay.
Because that's for evening dinners and stuff. All the lunches and stuff are all casual,
Right.
so you can even wear a tank top.
And you wear a polo.
Or wear a polo.
Right. Okay.
Shoes, one pair of dress shoes for the entire week.
Right.
Wear the same ones.
And tennis shoes?
Tennis shoes, one pair. And depending if you need a white pair for the white party,
Right.
just take one pair of tennis shoes and then you're done.
Right.
And then most of the time you just need sandals, a pair of flip-flops. I brought all these like white t-shirts.
Right.
Didn't need those at all.
Right.
I
Okay.
could use half of those.
Okay.